Hi, my name is Dickie. Today I'm sharing with you the Thai recipe called sweet glazed pork. It is an Asian cuisine feature dish covered with a sweet and salty caramel glaze like the one you're going to see. It is important to balance the flavor so that the sweetness is always offset by the salads or the vegetable dish. My student Linda will do the presentation step-by-step cooking this special recipe for you. I hope you enjoy her presentation.
My name is Linda. Today I am going to share a special recipe from Thailand. Many Southeast Asian cuisines feature meat dishes covered with sweet and salty caramel glazes like this one. It is important to balance the flavors so the sweetness is always offset by a tart salad or vegetable dish. In Thailand, this succulent, slightly chewy glazed pork is served in small portions with som tam, a tart hot salad of grated unripe pawpaw. Before we start cooking, let's prepare the ingredients list first. The cooking techniques used for these dishes involve caramelizing sugar to create a rich, sweet glaze that is then balanced with salty and savory flavors like soy sauce, fish sauce, or tamarind. Here is the ingredients list: 2 teaspoons vegetable oil, 500 g pork collar butt or shoulder, cut into 5 by 2 cm strips. Cup 125 g sugar. 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 tablespoon keep mayonnaise or sweet soy sauce. This caramel glaze adds a depth of flavor to the meat, whether it's pork, chicken, beef, or seafood, making it juicy and tender while also creating a crispy outer layer. Now we can start cooking when the list is ready. Number 1. Brush a bamboo steamer basket or steamer rack with all. Arrange the pork in the basket. Place the basket in a wok over gently simmering water. Cover and steam until the pork is tender, about 15 minutes. Number 2. In a medium saucepan, mix the sugar and cup 60 milliliters water. Cook gently until caramelized, about 15 minutes. Number 3. Remove the caramel from the heat and, holding the pan well away from you, carefully pour in the fish sauce as it will spatter. Stir slowly to dissolve any toffee lumps, then stir in the kecap mayonnaise. Number 4. Return the sauce to the heat and place the pork in the saucepan, turning several times until well coated with sauce. Cook over medium heat, stirring frequently until the sauce has formed a sticky glaze over the meat, about 5 minutes. Did you know? The English word ketchup comes from the Indonesian word for sauce, kecap. When you add the word manis, which means sweet, you are describing a thick, sweet salty soy sauce that is used extensively in Indonesian cooking. Let's find out more uses for traditional ingredients. Kecap manis is the perfect sauce to glaze cutlets and steaks for grilling. Its sugar content allows the sauce to caramelize, which gives the meat a deep, rich color while adding a delicious salty flavor without drying it out. Apply the sauce with a pastry brush, but make sure you brush a little vegetable oil over the meat first. Substitutes: you can use 1 tablespoon light soy sauce in place of the fish sauce in this recipe. Health watch: you can use lean pork for this dish without losing any flavor, but the final result will not be as moist. Cook's tips: as the sugar caramelizes, crystals may gather on the sides of the pan. The crystals should be dissolved by brushing with a pastry brush dipped in cold water, as they can cause the caramel to become lumpy and crystallized. Serving suggestions: you can cut the glazed pork into diagonal slices and pile it inside a large, cup-shaped lettuce leaf on a serving plate. On the same serving plate, place a tangy salad or crunchy vegetable dish such as cucumber and carrot, and a sharp vinaigrette dressing made with lemon or lime juice and a little oil and garlic. Wines and drinks: serve a soft red wine such as a Merlot or Merlot blend with this pork dish. The traditional Southeast Asian dish of succulent, slightly chewy glazed pork with a sweet and salty caramel glaze is commonly served with som tam salad in Thailand. Explore the cultural significance of this dish. and the importance of balancing flavors in Southeast Asian cuisine. Include step-by-step instructions, measurements, and cooking techniques to ensure the dish turns out perfectly. My mentor Dickie is teaching how you can craft a detailed and mouth-watering recipe for the beloved and versatile soup, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your specialty at your home for a business online. For need more information, contact Dickie at dickielim@gmail.com. Website https://plrsalesfunnel.com.